and then
I'm doing a special review because it's my first review I'm actually doing here at Auto Assembly.
Probably.
Yeah, but not
Got other people
completely
with me.
random. So like, this is my
Got a review. Dark of the Moon Shockwave.
Who's wank?
Old one.
Thanks, I'm gonna have to do that take again, man. Because I'm gonna put music.
He's ugly.
Leave him in.
He's ugly.
Take this
characters
be more fun.
Deck.
I do.
That again. I'm gonna be doing Dark of the Moon Shockwave.
Ugly.
Ugly. Yeah, there were rumours
Bang.
Like a guy who's been Doctor Who was going
You're gonna have to censor that.
Yeah.
I'm
maybe
not
the reason
Anyway,
like Optimus
if I get any more distracted.
He's a one-eyed purple monster.
One,
Yeah, yes.
No, yeah, well, he has two horns, but he looks like a cat.
Oh, we can snap one off.
Anyway. Jewels on it, very nice.
Creepy.
Very reminiscent
Where
of
the light is.
G1.
That light piping is actually really good.
Oh yeah,
light.
I like the light piping.
Spin it around, smells good, sec.
Wait a minute, you can actually see the light piper coming out.
See it from here.
That is fucking scary.
Fucking hell. Actually looks like it's an LED.
I'm wondering then if it's like a real dirt and there's just a tiny bit of light appearing and he catches it.
I really like the light piper on this.
You can scare the piss out of someone, this little red light goes out.
Oh, I remember best. Remember I bought
But anyway, this is the Generation 1 Shockwave with the colours and the one eye and the
I
horns.
transformed it a few days
And the gun arm and the hose.
I had see-through curtains at the time.
Decent posability in his left arm,
Where I live,
but
it
no
can get quite
wrist
sunny
pivot, you can
winter.
do it.
The light came
here.
through the windows one day and lit up his eyes.
No waist
And I
articulation,
shot
but
because I woke up and it just looked forward and there he is sitting,
bends at the hips
sitting on top of my
with
TV.
tight
His
joints.
eyes like that. Oh fuck! Oh,
Up and
someone's
down.
far screen.
turny
Oh
joint,
shit! Megatron.
knee joint,
Is it bad that
and
the Starscream
foot and heel
on
joints.
TV is scarier than they made the Decepticons out to be in the films?
but that's just for the transformation. When you got the mech tech gun on, it doesn't have much posability because it's quite limited because of the hose. But you take the gun off, and he's got the same articulation.
Funny thing is, he's the only
With his
one
left hand.
weapons.
Mother.
Yeah.
He's
Got
right.
claws in his thing.
Transform him.
He's got blades in
That's
his
probably
hands.
why, yeah, no, I saw that.
Take the hose out of the
He's
backpack
supposed to have
first.
a claw weapon.
Hole there, not
He
sure if
has
you can
twin
see it.
swords and the lobster's actually got a missile launcher.
There we are. Plug it in there, the hose pipe.
Oh,
Someone's causing mud trouble. Here we go.
Transform it, you got
balls.
to
Last night.
put the heels.
At about 3 o'clock, the copper travel was just floating around.
You now have officially become
See, when I thought back
very
on it,
similar
it's
to
like when the
Time
rats were
Lords reviews.
I had a vision to stand out here on the balcony
Ambulance
watching
going
pillars
past in
of
the
smoke.
background.
I've never
they
seen
did.
any of Tiny's reviews.
You're up now, John.
Anyway,
Top floor of the block.
put the heels
Third
I'm a
floor.
ninja.
into the feet.
Was that done by
This is Liam Shalhoub, this is Nick Roche, and the other fella's name is escaping me. Was the first fella's. I think his name was Kent, but I can't recall right now. Chris Carter.
Nice.
Chris Carter did this.
Alright, I was thought.
Sorry, getting distracted by another guy showing off some artwork he got. Put the feet up.
But it's the year of the warpath film.
John?
Yeah, of the warpath.
Guys,
Give me DJ, give me DJ.
really?
You said you were being distracted.
Move.
Oh, come on, guys.
You chose to do it on the balcony at the bar.
Well, I thought
You
it
were
might
asking
make it.
for it.
Nah, that one.
Shockwave's the bum boy.
That's alright.
I have to fucking throw that.
It's had far worse on it.
I got it.
Tank
Right.
bag.
Split backpack. Got the head. Turn it. Now his ribcage chest piece thingy dizzle. Gotta pop that off.
Ah, my chest!
Pegs here that plug into those holes there on each side of his chest.
Yeah, I can decide now, dude, if you can do it.
Oh yeah, I can do shock. I did Shockwave in Transformers Abridged.
There's this whole assembly here, which you can just pull out.
Why?
Why my head?
Why would you do this to me?
Michael Bay!
Yes, there's a
I don't know.
face card here.
And a bunch of loonies in the background.
Off the pink.
Get out the pink.
Get these two parts of
I
the chest.
don't go for a voice that comes out.
There we go.
Ow, my arm.
Pulled out.
Spine's out, supposed to
Excellent.
bend that way.
Quicker, faster, come on. You flip his hands up like so.
Oh!
Pace, more speed.
Turn his arms round.
You're asking for this.
I know. Turn his legs round. So
Oh!
the toes.
Oh, my knees!
So the toes on the inside.
Let's tell you this morning. I'm singing.
There's cavities in the legs, so they can pull up into the
Taking the
sides.
Michael.
No, I'm
Taking the
thinking
mickey.
about giving David
Unnecessary cameo.
So you got something like that.
You were thinking that, weren't you?
I was just thinking about it.
I've done something wrong here.
What's that long thing
thanks
going
for
on?
the reassurance.
You bought something wrong. You bought that toy, yeah.
It is pretty ugly, people.
It
You
is.
should have bought
And
fire
also-
comms.
Also, the actual shock.
Cavity goes on the inside, sorry.
The only signature was
All they did was
Does
go,
it?
The only signature
As
was
he
after.
reminded me. That was it.
Ryan, come here. I want to bomb you.
Yes.
He goes,
was-
Optimus, and then the rest of the film is.
Yeah. He spends the entire film growling.
Now,
Then again,
I-
Sam,
The problem with that character in the movie is old one eye with the big long thing.
see when they said.
That was
see
right.
When they said, what do you call it? Shockwave.
You gotta have cavities on the outside.
He's gonna.
So much in the marketing, and they do bugger all with it.
I know. I thought he was going to at least have a part to the plot.
It's called Sir Not Appearing in This Film Syndrome.
He was.
No, it's also it's misdirection. It was total misdirection for this.
He was on like every other
There's
poster that I saw.
tabs here on his leg that go into the arm here.
Could be fold.
Oh!
Laser turkey.
Oh, come on, Laserbeak was brilliant.
Oh, piss off.
He was brilliant.
He was wank.
I love the fact the toy transforms into the one thing he doesn't transform into.
I know. I mean, if he. Yeah, but where's the flipping fun in him turning into a photocopier? What fucking use of photocopier?
I do
There's a couple of
appreciate
tabs
that.
here and here. You gotta make sure they all
He's on the
place.
cover, and then somebody. It's
taking a bit.
misdirection. It's
I'll put up the knee pads.
Jump in already.
I do appreciate that they've gone with the theme of the Cybertronian mounts. His head's at the
The
front.
chest piece says pegs there, holes there.
What you got? Hang on, fuck off. Make it shouldn't as well.
Plug them
I
in.
know. They
In
keep
almost all variations.
Arms are tricky to do.
Yeah, it's the
You
thing
gotta
where he needs to see where he's going.
yeah.
tap there,
That doesn't, that's
Light hole there,
say good things
and
about
grooves here
Cybertron
for the
technology where their disguises need their faces poking out the front to see.
Yeah, I mean,
Well, in the movie verse, anyway.
well, both Megatrons have the face at the front, don't they?
get it like that.
Well,
Yeah, we
He's
don't.
only instructions in case he forgets.
In the first one, in the first
And same for the other arm.
Yeah.
second one, big screen.
No.
Third one,
Have you not seen
It's
the
You can pretty much put
wall.
the other part of the hose in any other MechTech ports.
No, not in my arse.
Yeah,
It's going in his arm.
That's the, you know how you
Same
have those
thing.
shoulder pads? They were really
find
And you've got a Cybertronian tank thing with
I like
a...
to call it the combat crawler.
Why didn't they make him sound like decent, like a turret or something?
I like to call it the combat crawler.
You guys here tonight?
I'm staying here a little longer.
So you got-
might try and get off tomorrow.
Cybertronian tank with Doom thingy with a city hose sticking out.
I know what I'd shoot.
Well, a nice gun, but slightly misplaced, out of place blade thing.
Get in my bed.
Not a bad looking thing, I admit. But
Well, grab Simon then.
It's not
I
good
think it
either.
I think it's like sort of an afterthought because Shockwave doesn't really transform in the film. He just rides this giant squid worm thingy.
Something
That
awesome.
would have looked so much better in the film.
Yeah, if like, you know,
He
there was
basically
like...
came from the extras from
Think about it. If, okay, he's a tank, I can't really put that in.
Fairly decent. I picked this up for 18 quid here when all the other Shockwaves were going for like 28. So
And then he...
18, even 18 quid isn't worth it.
Like, if you got shot dead,
Okay,
Shockwave, that would have...
Spin him round for the camera. He has an asshole in tank mode.
in my opinion, he's very decent. If you want to get him. It's very decent.
That's a
But
brilliant review. If you already wanted him, still get him.
But
What the sort of
personal
point are
thought,
you as
I'm
a
not.
reviewer if you're going to
I'm
get
not that
the no
first on-
impartial...
If you want
I'm not
him,
that
get
first on
him.
the alt
If you
mode.
don't.
But I'm going to
Isn't
be
the
keeping him
whole
in
point of
robot
reviewers
mode,
meant to
and
get
his
further
robot mode
forwards?
looks pretty
Not
wicked,
fair.
in my opinion.
The better question is, people, why, if he has tank treads, why the fuck does he need wheels at the front?
Those are mine sweeps. Therefore,
Why are you justifying it?
because all tanks have them.
That's pretty much all I can say.
It's true.
Say hello to the guys who's been distracting me and shouting out.
Yosh.
And you'd probably know him as the voice of Shockwave from TF Abridged.
I love you!
I am, what you said?
I'm throwing a party, Megatron!
That's good. Bye!
Oi!
Dude, really?
I'm gonna get killed.
Thanks for watching. Have a good one.